Inside every engine is a system under constant pressure, oil moving through tight tolerances, coolant circulating at speed, components turning hundreds of times per second. Without attention, precision, and experience, it fails. Melling Engine Parts has spent the last 80 years making those standards a reality. Oil pumps, water pumps, camshafts, valve train, cylinder sleeves, timing components, serving OE manufacturers, the aftermarket, and the performance world across 7 facilities on 3 continents. When performance demands the best, Melling delivers. Their parts have powered championships, millions of engines on the big 3 assembly lines, and they continue to innovate products daily. But the real story isn't what they make, it's the team that makes it. 80 years in, Melling is still growing its workforce from the community because world-class products require world-class people, and they've spent decades building both. 5 generations of the Melling family have called Jackson home. The Melling family is committed to continue this legacy and grow the talent and skills from within the community. 8 decades strong, still growing, still Jackson. It's built here.